Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to power wash my engine bay, and we're also going to power wash my car that I just recently plastic dipped. So as you guys are able to see, my engine bay is kind of dirty. Now, as far as what you guys should cover, you always want to cover this sensor right here, the mass airflow sensor. And then on my particular car, I am going to be removing the spark plug tubes because water does get in there, so we're going to just put a rag on there. But everything else is pretty much waterproof, so I'm just going to go ahead and close everything off. And then we're going to put a bag over the sensor so that it doesn't get damaged. Before we bring out the power washer, we're going to go ahead and apply some of this cleaner. If you guys haven't tried this cleaner, you guys have to. It's like the best cleaner. Also, you want to get a small brush like this, and we're just going to use this to agitate the surface so that we can get most of the debris and oil loosened up from the surface of the engine bay. Now that we have agitated the surface with a small brush, we're going to go ahead and turn on the power washer. Now when you guys are washing the engine bay, you don't want to stay in one particular place for too long, so that you can avoid any water getting into the electrical connections and potentially shorting anything out. Guys, so this is the finished product right here. As you guys are able to tell, the engine bay looks a lot cleaner. Now if you guys did want to make it look perfect, what you guys can do is get some